exposing the secret behind overspending in the cashless world. Can you guess what it is? In today's digital age, cashless payments are all the rage. Credit cards, mobile wallets, and UPI have made buying stuff super easy. But here's a shocker. They might be making you spend more than you think. First, when you pay with cash, you feel the money leaving your hand. With cashless payments, it's just numbers on a screen. This can trick your brain into spending more. Next, those tempting offers and cashback rewards. They make you feel like you're saving, but often you end up buying things you don't need. Budget control gets fuzzy too. With cash, you know your limit. With digital, it's easy to lose track. And don't even get me started on contactless payments. A simple tap and boom, you've spent money without even thinking. Credit cards also add hidden costs with interest and fees. You don't see them right away, making it easy to overspend. So how do you avoid these traps? Set a budget, use cash, be cautious with offers, and track your spending. Cashless is cool, but smart spending is cooler.